my name's Andrew and welcome to Motorsport from the beginning. In this week's episode we will be taking the stereo out of the Astina and putting it in the Hyundai. The reason we're taking the pieces and bits and pieces out of the Astina is because a motorcyclist fell off in front of us and nailed the front of the car. It doesn't look too bad, but it's got a bent chassis rail, which means it's a write-off. So, I have been given a Hyundai Excel from my grandma, which is there. They both do the slalom in similar times, and they both accelerate 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 in similar times, so they're quite similar. The Hyundai is a manual. It's got power steering, it's got aircon and everything, all that works. It's a 12 valve straight 4 and single camshaft. As you may notice, the Hyundai does not have a tachometer, so we are going to put an aftermarket one in. Also, it's got the stock stereo, so we're going to put the Bluetooth stereo from the Astina in.
Go into the shade and around the end.
Remember, on your way out, you need to add a paddle. Ready?
Yep. On the seat next to you. Take steering off. Perfect. That looks good.
It's a bit of wiggling to get all the way.